Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock on your ALCATEL X3 2019, I recommend you to get the Opera mini browser because this browser got built-in AdBlock, so you don't have to get any external application. So just go for the Play Store, tap on the search and type here Opera, click on the Opera mini and just click on the button install. I just did it and right now I can open it. And right now we have to wait a little bit. Click on the continue, then tap on the allow and continue. And right now when we enter any website when you can find ads, for example, we'll go for the HardReset.Info, our website. And there will be the notification. And as you can see, here it is. This is the notification that we blocked the first ads, and this is thanks to the partnership with AdBlock Plus. So let's click on it. We got it. If you click right here, you can check how many ads were blocked. And right now, when you scroll down the page, you cannot find here any ads. Also, even when you go for the other section. So, thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course, subscribe to our channel.